Now let's begin with the biggest misconception about the Google Ads for B2B startup businesses. Number one, you will turn on your Google Ads campaigns and you will start getting leads in the first month. Number two being, Google Ads don't work for my B2B startup business. Now you know the biggest misconceptions. Let me introduce you with this analogy that may help to understand the misconceptions a bit better. And that is, running successful Google Ads account has two different parts. Part number one, having a solid knowledge of Google Ads. Part number two, having a solid knowledge of your unique business. Now let me dive a bit deeper into part number one. That is, for Google Ads, you will have full knowledge of keywords, ads, landing pages, reporting, tracking, all that good stuff. And part number two is having a solid knowledge of your unique business. What I mean by that? I mean, you will know your target ICP, your business unique selling point, your profit margins. And when both of these parts work together seamlessly, on one end you have Google Ads, on other end have your unique business, then Google Ads can be a really profitable platform for you that can consistently bring in qualified leads that turn into close won business, and that means is more revenue for you and ROI positive platform for you. Now if I go back to my initial misconception, and number one being Google Ads don't work for B2B businesses, and number two being my Google Ads will get me qualified leads in no time. Both of these misconceptions are wrong, and the reason being one of the ingredients, either full execution knowledge of Google Ads or business knowledge sharing from the business end, is missing, and that's why Google Ads don't work for you. But Google is a great profitable channel for B2B businesses, and it does work for B2B businesses. Thank you.